In an inelastic collision, momentum is conserved in a direction where there's no net external force. So here we designate our system as the bullet and the crate, and the initial momentum comes from the bullet, because the crate's initially resting in the horizontal direction. So that's equal to the final momentum of the system. So in this case, we have a perfectly inelastic collision where the bullet's lodged in the crate, and this combined mass travels at some velocity. So we have the momentum being conserved in an inelastic collision, and in an inelastic collision, the kinetic energy is not conserved. So the initial kinetic energy of the system comes from the bullet, minus the dissipated energy, which occurs where the bullet breaks the bonds in the crate to be lodged in a crate. And that's equal to the final energy of the system, being the bullet and the crate. So in our inelastic collision, some of the kinetic energy is transferred into internal energy of the system.